Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from here, we'll drop down. You should see this hood release lever. We'll pull that. That should pop that safety so you can open it now from the front. If this is just completely loose, double check this cable's still attached. If that cable's not there, you might need to address that. But we'll head up here now. And this hood should be slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. And right here is a lever, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And there's an arm here we can pull up. Sorry for the camera work. So this arm now is holding it up. This is what that lever looked like I was just pushing. So this feeds around to here. So double check nothing's bent or broken. No debris in here that needs cleaned up. Maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen this if it's sticking a lot. Here's the top where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a good day.